Uber just announced that they are going to have women-only rides coming to the US. Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And that's right, Uber is now bringing its women-only rides for drivers and riders to the US. It is going to be piloting it in 3 cities, and it's going to be possibly coming across the country if it is successful in these 3 pilot markets. So let's go over what it means for riders, what it means for drivers, and my overall thoughts overall. And of course, I want to know what your comments are, so make sure you put them in the comments below. So let's talk about what it means for women riders first. So for riders, women riders are going to soon have more ways to choose rides with women drivers. They're going to be able to request on demand. So that's, just when you normally order, you can request a trip on demand. Women riders are going to see an option called women drivers. And if the wait time is longer than anticipated, you can always opt for another ride like Uber X, Uber XL, whatever it might be. Reserve in advance, so for more planning and certainty, women riders can use reserve to pre-book a trip with women drivers. And also setting a preference, riders can set a preference for women drivers in the app settings. While it's not guaranteed, turning on the women preferences increases your chance of being matched with a woman driver. So that is taking care of the rider side. Now let's take a look at the driver side. Now for drivers, women drivers will soon have the option to request trips with women riders, including during peak earning hours like evenings. So this means more opportunities to earn on their terms with flexibility and confidence. Women drivers can simply toggle the women rider preference in the app settings. If they want to receive trip requests for all riders, they can turn the preferences on or off at any time. Both riders and drivers could choose women or women only and have those rides. Now, I know a lot of men out there are going to be like, "Oh, wait a minute. This is not going to be good. This is discrimination based on sex." And while that is true, if people are citing the 1964 Civil Rights Act, that does not have anything about men or women discrimination. In fact, there's a lot of men only and women only spaces, and we're okay with that. It's called bathrooms and several other places, like a women's only gym, women's only sections in gym and things like that. So this is kind of no different in that aspect. The only difference is it's for rides. So yeah, women who want to have women only drivers or riders, this is a new functionality coming. It is going to be available in LA, San Francisco, and Detroit over the next few weeks, and it's likely probably going to go into several other markets. Now, Lyft has something similar to this. It's called Women Plus, and it's pretty much the exact same thing. Now, I know several women drivers are probably going to be happy to hear this because I know that a lot of them are doing food delivery and only doing rideshare during certain hours or certain times. And they may actually just want to do women-only rides. So that's a good option there. And same thing on the other side. So I want to know, though, what are your thoughts? Women, are you happy about this feature coming? Men, what do you think about this? Do you think that this is a problem? Personally, I think it's good because it gives more peace of mind for women to women. So we'll see what happens. But sound off in the comments below and let me know. Also, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified when new videos come out. And if you want to check out a new rideshare company that's coming in New York City right now called check out the video right there. And we'll see you guys in the next one.